And you shall call his name Jesus, for he will save his people from their sins. If we think back for a moment to what Ahaz was dealing with in Isaiah chapter 7, it's actual history, actual difficulty. God does save Ahaz and Judah and the people of Judah at that moment, but recognize that by the time we get to Jesus Christ, that has come and gone. That was a temporary victory. They needed it, but human victories come and go. As good as some of them are, time marches on and we still need saving from our deeper needs. So the promise continues. Friends, the human condition, what you and I actually need fixed. The human condition cannot be fixed by making a few political or military campaigns go our way. Those things can fix some things, but they can't fix the human condition. It cannot be fixed by throwing more and more money at it, or getting another job, or changing our situation, or getting another degree and doing something else with our lives. It can't be fixed by moving or separating ourselves from people that we don't like or who think differently than we do. We might think that that will solve the tension, deal with the issue, and then finally we'll find peace of mind and space and flourishing inside of our lives. None of these things solve what is actually going on inside of the human heart. I need saving on the level of my soul. And so do you. So does every human being. And nothing I do under my own power, nothing you can do under your power can fix what needs fixed in Phil's soul. Heather can tell you all about it. Phil needs fixing. You can do whatever you want to do. You can march in whatever protest you want to march in. You can post whatever you want to on social media. You can craft your friend circles however you want to. You can disconnect yourself from people that you don't like as much as you want to. But in every one of those steps and decisions that human beings make, you take your problem with you everywhere you go. Because the problem sits here in the human heart. I'm a sinner and I need saving.